Welcome to Fortune Tech Debate, where we discuss the issues of the day in 2 minutes. Today we are talking about WeWork and its efforts to IPO. David, do you think that they will finally get this off the ground?
I think they've really improved their position. They got Adam Neumann out the door, who's a little bit of a loose cannon. They've got 2 new CEOs now, and hopefully they'll get their act together.
You know, I do think that there are enough adults in the room at this point to say, you know, clearly there's an issue. Let's replace him and get everything in line. They've also got a $6 billion credit line that is contingent on them IPOing by the end of the year. So yes, I think the IPO will go through. But in terms of a company being successful, they have too many red flags, and I just don't see it happening.
Yeah, I mean, certainly they are less of a company than Adam Neumann dreamed of them being. They're going to probably be at a lower valuation. We've already heard that. But they do have an interesting business if you shrink it down. They're catering to startups. They're providing workspaces for flexible companies around the world. You at least have a business there.
Yeah, that's also the thing. They don't really know how to define their business. Adam Neumann especially was very big on purporting them to be a tech company. And let's face it, they are a real estate company. We've heard that line being towed before by other companies like Uber. And, you know, the fact that they don't have a clear vision, especially with Adam Neumann gone, who was really the visionary behind the company, I'm not that confident that they're going to be able to pull through. They actually listed his possible departure as a risk factor. And now he's gone before the IPO is even out.
I would say Adam Neumann was the one who lacked vision. He had too much vision. He wanted it to be an education company. He wanted it to be a community company. It's a real estate company. They rent offices. And now we have people who are going to actually focus on that. Adam's wife is gone now as well, who is running the education wing of the We company. So it's going to be streamlined. It's going to be smaller. The valuation will probably be less than they were hoping for. We already know that. And it'll happen. But what happens after that, we'll see.
That's the thing. I think, like I said, they'll make it to IPO, but after that, I think that they don't have a very lengthy future. But that's all the time we have for today. Come to fortune.com for more tech debate.